Hi everyone and welcome back to today's Morning Report. Charles Fraser's on Wednesday the 9th of March with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at dollar yen. And we have had a development on dollar yen in the last couple of days whereby the bears have sort of taken more of a control. You sort of now use that 23.6% fib whereby we were previously trading above and around it. We now sort of use that as a base of resistance and fell away. And that has resulted in momentum indicators turning lower. You've got that sell signal on the stochastics, the crossover. You've got the RSI rolling over at 44, 45, and the MACD line's not really doing a great deal either. So it's sort of putting the bear pressure onto the downside, looking at that next support around 12.15, which sort of protects these key lows around 11 big figure, 111 big figure. And you can see this sort of playing out in the hourly chart as well, whereby we're now sort of far more bearishly configured on the momentum indicators. Look at that RSI sort of failing at 60, consistently trading, sort of moving around sort of between 30 and 50 now. And this old pivot at 113.15, old big pivot level, having been supportive, has now turned in the base of resistance a couple of times, sort of rallied towards that 113.15 area and fallen away. So that is your basis of resistance, and it's certainly now looks as though we're going to sort of pull back towards the test of this 12.14 area. You've got the initial support coming in up to 112.40 today, which was yesterday's low, and again playing out as today's low. So that is clearly a bit of a near-term level the market's looking at. But if you breach that to the downside, I think you're going to quite quickly move towards 12.15 again. And even on the upside, actually, there's a very small initial resistance around 112.80 that sort of protects that 113.15 area as well. So it certainly looks as though this dollar yen chart has taken on more of a corrective outlook, and I'd be using a chance to sell into strength. Really, look at this 21-hour moving average as well. It's providing the base of resistance, and again, sort of it's falling and continuing to fall away. So it is putting pressure on the downside, and I think ultimately we're going to see a test of that 12.15 area. And that will be the real test as to whether we see a test of the lows again. So interesting times on dollar yen. That's a bit of a retrenchment in risk appetite. Seems to be the case, certainly if dollar yen is testing that 112.15 area. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.